Switch up. I just can't switch up.
So you're probably wondering what's encased inside this, well, these 5 plastic bags, and it's sodium metal, which is pure sodium. It can be found next to the Wonder Bread in aisle 4, and it reacts with water. Glass.
That is what it looks like. It has a metallic sheen on the inside if you cut it. I don't want to, but that's basically what it looks like, and it's a soft metal. Oops. Don't drop it. It's not very safe.
Okay, we can. This is water. When you put the sodium in it, it goes blast.
Before we continue this experiment, I'd just like to go through a couple safety procedures. One, Kevin's going to show you, just in case, if sodium is thrown without warning into a body of water, what to do. You must duck and cover. Notice how he puts his hands on the back of his head and tightly grips, as this will help protect him from a burn. And 2, we're what you call experts, so don't do this at home. Alright, now Jordan's doing his victory run to the top of the slide where he will throw in the sodium. Now what happens when he throws it in, it's going to make a really loud sizzling noise. I don't know if you guys can hear it. And then it'll light the hydrogen in the air because it's such a strong exothermic reaction. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Okay, so basically what just happened was the sodium and water reacted at such a fast speed that it produced that burst, or loud sound that you guys heard. Initially, it had a bright flame, but it's very instant because it's such a quick exothermic reaction. It's the hydrogen that is ignited. So, in this case, sodium is an acid, and what the equation would be is you have the reactants, 2 sodiums, plus 2 waters. So that sodium, and then that's the pool, basically, what we threw it in. Yields, and then you have your products. It produces sodium hydroxide and hydrogen. So this experiment demonstrates thermochemistry because there's that such strong exothermic reaction with the sodium and water. Okay, so the reason we have it in 5 Ziploc bags is because it can actually react with the air because, you know, there's moisture in the air. And we also keep it in mineral oil so that just to make sure that it won't react. We did it on a much larger scale by throwing it in the pool because it makes a loud boom, and that's way cooler than a small flame. So, but basically, if you took a small piece and put it in a dish with water, it would just that hydrogen would burst with a flame, and it wouldn't be a loud bang, but you could still see that it's an exothermic reaction.